morning, ladies. How you guys doing? So, you guys know I have kids. They love to eat on the go. My husband's always fussing like, stop eating in the car. And literally this morning I got in the car to leave and it was ants all in the car. And so I started killing the ants. I'm like, oh my God, these kids. But I'm like, oh my God, these kids. So my inspiration today is about these ants, right? So, you know, the ants, they have the worker bees. Everybody has their role to play. Everybody knows what they're supposed to do, and they carry it through. You be seeing them ants marching, right? Because they have to report back to the queen. Well, in our lives, sis, we have to report back to the king. And that's a daily conversation, right? That's our prayer, supplication, our devotion, our worship time. And then we have to carry through what our duty and our role is. What is our purpose in life? We have to carry that through. So just as diligent as these ants are trying to attack the food my kids done left in the car, is just as diligent as we need to be on a daily basis, carrying through our purpose in life that God has given us, using our gifts, because the ants have different roles. They may be good at going and sourcing the food. They may be good at carrying the food through. They may be good as a lookout, a scout, right? They may be good as a watchman, right? So it's similar to our role in life. What is your purpose? What has God given you to do, sis? You. What is he giving you to do, right? And are you reporting back with your prayer, your supplication, and your devotion on a daily basis? And sometimes it has to be more within a day than once, right? Because I call on Jesus all the time, especially with these children. So today, that is my inspiration. Continue to report back to the Master by praising him, worshiping him, praying to him, going down in sackcloth and ashes and communing with him, right? Just like Adam did in the cool of the day, he was talking with God, right? He was. We can do it as well, right? We can fellowship, we can worship him, we can thank him, we can praise him, we can ask for his guidance, and we can just put out our petition to him. So today, we need to be like these ants. Have a good day on purpose. I love you, sis.